Hey guys, how you doing? Today we have a new math lesson. First thing I want to say sorry for the camera angle. Mr. P was having some technical difficulties, so we had to move things to another place in my apartment. But today we're going to talk about, are there enough? Now we did this earlier on in the year. Things got a little crazy, but I know this time is going to be much better because we're more organized now. Um, so how we're going to do this is that we're going to count by how many students, just like last time. Now there's two ways that you could count. You could count one at a time, or just count every single student in our class, or you could do girls and boys. Today, I'm going to do girls and boys. Last time it was one at a time. Today, girls and boys. So, let's see here. We're going to count how many girls we have in our class. So we have Lily, McKenna, Zoe, Aletha, Kylie, Josie, Zyla, Elena, Miss Grace, Miss Fuller. So we have 10 girls in our class. 10 girls. Now let's count the boys. We have Victor, Jadiel, Bryson, Asen, Jeremias, Nathaniel, Jeremiah, Zamari, Callum, Grayson, Tan, Gregory, Zion, Andrew, Calvin, Mr. Ben, and Mr. P. That's all the boys. Sorry, girls. I didn't have any control about how many boys and girls we have in our class. But in total, we have 17. 17 boys, 10 girls. Now, the question of today is, now Andrew, this is for you. Hopefully you're here today, Andrew. This is for you, my man. Question of the day is, Andrew's mom gave him 28 Beyblades. Does he have enough Beyblades to share with the entire class? Now, we want to do what we want to do first, as always, is talk about the things that we know. So one thing that we know is that Andrew's mom gave him 28 Beyblades. The next thing that we know is we got 10 girls. And 17 boys. So how we're going to do this is, I'm going to add. Now there's multiple ways you could probably do this, but for me, I'm going to add 10 plus 17. Because we have 10 girls, 17 boys. Now how I'm going to do this, I always want to show my work. So how I'm going to show my work is with circles. So I have 10 girls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 17 boys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Now, depending on what you want to do, you may know by heart what 10 plus 17 is, and that's awesome. That's great. I love to hear that. Or, for some of our friends, we may want to count them up. So we may go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 people in our wonderful class. 27. So, to answer our question, does Andrew have enough Beyblades to share with the class? Yes, he does, because we know he has 28. We have 27 kids, so that means we would have one more extra left over. A way we could find out how many we have left over is by taking away. So that word take away means subtraction. So we would do 28 minus 27 equals 1. So we'll have one blade left over. And hopefully, you never know, maybe we'll get another person in our class. Hopefully it's a girl, so you get 11 girls. And we can give that one extra blade to her. Another thing that you could do, and we haven't talked about it yet, but a lot of you know how to do this just from me talking to you, is skip count. So if we wanted to figure out how much we have, we could skip count our circles by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we could do that. And then we could skip count the boys 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and of course we have 17. So, like I said before, we have 10 and we have 17. Now our number 27, I want to show you something really quick, and this is something else that we're going to talk about soon, is we could break this 27 up to get another equation. Now, how many 10s do you think are in 27? So the number of 10s that are in 27, there are 2 10s, because if we count by 10, we're going to have 10, 20. So we get 20. If we go to 30, we'll have more than 27. So we're only going to go 10, 20. So we're going to put a 20 here. And if we do that, we'll have 7 left over. So we could do 20 plus 7 equals 27. But this is a strategy that you guys are going to learn in the future. But I just wanted to show it to you right now. Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy this Nearpod, and we will talk later. Alright?